All right, so this is a piece of mimosa wood. It's about 2 inches around, and I'm going to say, I don't know, 5 or 6 inches long. So I'm going to get it trued up here. A little backstory on this wood. A little over a year ago, Tim emailed me and said that they had to take down a tree at their place, and his wife loved it. So this is mimosa, and it just has beautiful flowers on it. So he sent the wood to me. I explained to him that it would need to dry for at least a year or so before I could do anything with it. So when I was moving the shop, I grabbed the box. I had left it in the box that they shipped it in, so it was all still sitting in there. It's all dry, ready to go. We're going to do a little lidded box out of this piece. I made a couple other things with it, and I will show you those at the end. So all the wood he sent was, it's about 2 inches around or smaller. So I just kind of grabbed a few pieces out of it. We're going to make a lidded box out of this piece right here. So I'm going to put the tenon down on it, and we'll get it hollowed out. I'm going to use the Forstner bit here in a second to clean out most of the material on the inside. Yeah, the tree was, she just loved the tree, and they had to take it down. Just, I'm not exactly sure why, but they had to take the tree down for some sort of maintenance or something that they were doing on the property, and they forced them to take it down. So she was not happy with that, so wanted something made out of it. I'm using a Forstner bit, turn the lathe speed down here, and we'll get it hollowed out. Help support the companies that support our community. So the Forstner bit takes out a lot of the material, so it's a nice quick way to get a lot of the wood out and set the depth on the box too. And so when I put it in there, it did knock it off center just a little bit. So I'm just getting that all re-trued up. So when I put it in there, I didn't have it sitting flat on the bottom because it was kind of the way the limb is. I kind of put it off center. That's why it kind of messed it up a little bit, but not too bad. We'll just get it trued back up, get it hollowed out here with the number 1 hollower. So when I was turning at this point, Robin asked me what I was going to do at the bottom, and I was just going to part it off and make a little lidded box, but she suggested just leaving a little base on it with the bark, and I think that was a great idea. And it leaves a little bit more of the tree too. So when we part it off here in a second, I'm going to leave a little ring for the base. I went ahead and ran through all the grits up to 600. So the wood is actually really nice and has a lot of character in the heartwood. So if you ever run across any of this wood, grab it up because it's just beautiful. The heartwood is amazing. There's a couple little spots on like the lid that you'll be able to see it, and then on the other things I made too, there's little spots of the heartwood. And even the sapwood has some nice character in it too. So this is the lid, another piece of the little chunk that I took off there. We'll get it trued up and then put a recess in it. Let's use the calipers to get the size close, and then we'll come in with a parting tool to make the recess. And with this, just take your time. You want a friction fit on a box like this. So just take little bits off the side there as you go till you get it close. Then just smooth out the rim right there, kind of cupped it out just a little bit. And then we can shape the top of it a little bit and get it parted off. And on the bottom here, it ran through all the grits up to 600 again. We're not going to be able to come back to that. Then we'll get it parted off and finish off the top. And for that, I just used the #1 hollower to clean it all up, round it over, and then again on this, ran through all the grits up to 600. And then once it was all done, went ahead and soaked the whole thing down with walnut oil. And the walnut oil really darkened up the bark and brought the color out a little bit, which was nice. There we go. It's all done. It's a little under 5 inches tall, and the base is a little over 2 inches. Robin had a great idea of leaving that natural edge on the bottom of it. I think that looks fantastic. And pop. Oh, it's on there a little tight. I might have to sand that a little bit more before I put it in the mail. But the grain all lines back up with it. The heartwood on it is just, yeah, if you ever find any of this wood, I would give it a try because the heartwood is amazing. And even the sapwood, the walnut oil soaking in overnight really does really bring out the color in it. So I did make them when I grabbed the box. I just wanted to make sure it was all dry. So I made you guys a bottle stopper and a bottle opener out of it too. So, but it's beautiful wood. It's nice and hard. It turns really nice. So if you get a chance, find some of that. It's nice wood to turn. All right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, if your club is looking for a remote demo, we do those for free on any of the Niles products. I just got done. I did one for the Lexington, Kentucky club on Thursday night. Hope everybody enjoyed that. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. We did it on the threaded rings, so for making urns and lidded boxes. All right. Have a great weekend, and we will see you next time. Take care.